Hello Saladmaster, Bueno Way family. It's a double deal today because I'm gonna show you two Filipino delicacies. This is a great idea for the festive season, but it's not gonna blow your budget because most of the ingredients is in your pantry and in your fridge. I'm gonna make Puto cheese with a twist and Lecheron, and we're going to bake it or make it at the same time. We're going to use the Saladmaster utility rack and the egg cups. This is so versatile because you can insert this in your 11-inch deep dish skillet or your 7-quart roaster or your 4.5 mini brazier. Today I'm gonna use the 11-inch deep dish skillet. Gonna put some water inside and then we will insert this, the utility rack, and then we'll put the egg cups like this over it. We're going to start boiling the water because we need the steam later on. Medium heat, we'll leave it. For our lecheroons, we need about 2/3 cup of desiccated coconut, 5 egg yolks. You can use 4 egg yolks if you have extra large eggs in your kitchen. And 2 whole eggs. And a can of sweetened condensed milk. We will also use about 1/4 cup of melted butter, and about a teaspoon of vanilla. So you just mix this all together until it's well combined. And then we will set this aside after we combined all these ingredients, and then we will proceed to our Puto cheese recipe. Now that it's fully mixed, we're now going to transfer this in our egg cups. So with our egg cups, you can either use the paper cups or just use this cup and just spread or wipe some melted butter so that your lecheroon won't stick in it. Okay. So lecheroon is actually a combination of 2 delicacies, the leche flan and the Filipino coconut macaroons. So we will now proceed to our Puto cheese recipe. You know that in Philippines there's so many kinds of puto made from plain flour or the rice flour. But now, because it's a Puto cheese with a twist, instead of plain flour, I'm going to use the cake flour. So we're just gonna sieve the cake flour. So the texture of this Puto will be the same texture like the sponge cake. That's why it's special. So this is 1.5 cup of cake flour. So how to make the cake flour? This is just a plain flour added with a cornstarch. So nothing really special with it. So this is 1.5 cup of cake flour, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half cup white sugar, and 3/4 cup of water. So if you have Sprite at home, it's much better if you use the Sprite because it adds flavor. And we'll just mix it. So now our puto batter is now well combined and smooth. We will set this aside and then we will gonna make a meringue. So to make a meringue, we need around 4 medium size of egg whites, and a half teaspoon of cream of tartar. So now we're going to transfer our puto butter into our egg cups. Now the vapor valve is now clicking. So we are now ready to put our egg cups. So these are the Lecheroons, and these are the Puto cake. Okay, then we'll just cover it.